Today, I'm sharing a cutting-edge technology for repairing phone cameras, cleaning watermarks without disassembly. This iPhone 14 Pro S rear camera has a watermark. Remove the camera. Pour a special cleaning solution into the ultrasonic tank. The cleaning solution level must exceed the camera body. Start ultrasonic cleaning. Cleaning takes about 20 seconds. The blue light area will not be harmed. After cleaning, stand it upright for 3 minutes. Reinstall the camera. The watermark is completely cleaned.